Hi guys, and welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to duet on TikTok with a saved video. To start, open your TikTok application in your mobile device. On a post in TikTok, tap on Share, then click on Save Video. Or you can click on Share, and then Share To. And then in here, save the video once again. Once done, close TikTok, and then open an application called Video Collage. Then in here, click on Video. Then over at Video Collage, choose which template you want to use. Once done, click on a part wherein you want to add your duet. Click on a part over here and then click on Select Video. And then head on over to your gallery and then search for the video you want to add on the first panel. Once you've chosen, choose the video resolution and then click on Done on the upper right. Now wait for it to finish loading. And then as you can see over at the app, there are now two videos playing together as a duet. You can now save this over at your gallery, or you can share it directly over to TikTok. And then in here, you can post it as much as the way you want it to be. Just click on Next, and then you should all be good to go. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.